Everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to very quickly, very easily change the POV for your entire novel. This is of course before you start writing, and so that the AI knows what to generate as far as your prose goes. So you can do it from any tab. You're just going to go right over here to your settings wheel. You're going to go to writing. Here's where you're going to set your prose. So you're going to go here, past, present, change your language if you need to. And then here is where you're going to set up which point of view you want. If you have codex characters already, which are important to have no matter what, but when you have codex characters already in for your novel, you can then change the character. So say you're going to do it from the male main character's point of view. Great, now you're set. The AI knows we're writing in past, first person, male main character.